Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. After too long an absence, rabbits are back on the farm. I've got 5 bucks. I'm going to go through and pick out 3 of them. And I'm going to get at least 2 does per buck, maybe 4 per buck. You get a trio of rabbits, which a buck is a male and a doe is female, for those of y'all who don't know. You can produce approximately 50 rabbits a year, and that's the 30-day gestation cycle. And then I don't take mine away from the mama till 8 weeks. Some people do it sooner and sell them sooner. I do not. I wait for 8 weeks old, and then I take the mama and put her in another pen and give the babies a few days without mama and their surroundings, and I switch them around and move them to another place. And I'm going to be doing things a little bit different with these rabbits. I've got a kind of a rabbit tractor I'm designing, and that way they can eat a lot of grass. And I put stuff in there that came off a briar bush, and they'll eat the leaves and a lot of that green and stuff. And I've got a few carrots. I'm just kind of getting them. They're just here, and I'm wanting them relaxed. So, and I've got food in their feeders, but I'm just giving them extra, and they'll probably eat that food tonight. But I figure with that many rabbits, I can keep enough meat in my freezer. And I'm ordering chickens too. I'll be getting layers and meat birds. Not the type meat birds that you consider meat birds, like the Cornish cross, those. What I'll be doing, I'll be buying the roosters, like whatever chickens I get, because really you can eat all chickens. I mean, the meat birds, they get up so big and they have so many leg problems. I don't like that. I'd rather just get the roosters, and I can get those for like 30 cents a piece. And I'll be doing a separate video on that, and I'm getting my order together. And just so happened, I was looking yesterday and run up on these. I told the lady so I can be there in the morning. And so I got all these and came on back. Bo's having a fit. He don't know what to think of these things. But they're good for the night. I'm fixing to let them be by themselves, and I'm going to pick up some more rabbit feed tomorrow, and some cracked corn too. I mix cracked corn in with mine, and also I don't have any hay. I'm going to get a bale of hay, and this is my hay holder right here, because it just seems like I've always would free feed my rabbits hay, and I had less problems with them with their digestive systems. And all it is roughage. Really, there's no nutrient content to it. But my males, I give them a cat food can of feed a day each. And then like they have hay, and I'll throw stuff like this in there with them too. And so they're getting plenty to eat. But like females, if they're pregnant, I'll fill up their container with food. And while they're nursing, until I take them away, then they go back to a can until they get pregnant again. The right time they're taken away, normally they're put with a buck then, and taken care of. He thinks that buck's, uh-oh. All right, I'm getting, no, he quit, okay. But anyway, I'm kind of excited having rabbits on the farm again, and I'm ready to build a rabbit tractor for them and let them work on this grass. And when I get my chickens, I'll be moving them around too. The meat birds, especially the roosters, I'll be moving them around on the grass so I can move 2 rabbit tractors in front of the meat bird pen, and I'll get a lot of this stuff cleared out. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.